Did you know? Seasonings we purchase from the grocery store are often filled with a lot of added salt. With 2,300 milligrams of sodium being the daily limit recommended by the Dietary Guidelines for Americans, consuming just 1 teaspoon of any of these would provide anywhere from 30 to 50 to 100% of your total daily allowance. Luckily, making your own salt-free seasoning blend is simple and tastes just as great. Join us as we walk you through some easy steps. First, we will make an all-purpose spice blend. This blend can be used on its own, or it can be used as a base for other seasonings. To make this blend, we will combine 5 teaspoons onion powder, 2.5 teaspoons garlic powder, 2.5 teaspoons paprika, 2.5 teaspoons dried mustard, 1.5 teaspoons dried thyme, half a teaspoon white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon celery seed. Now, let's take a look at how easy it is to transform this base recipe into the flavor you are seeking for your next meal by visiting the Strive for Wellness Health Library at www.mchcp.org. You can view a variety of spice recipes that build from this base recipe, including cultural cuisines. See how easy it is to transform the base recipe into the flavor or cuisine you are seeking? This base recipe works perfect for savory dishes. However, using spices is not limited to savory dishes alone. The next time you are looking for an added touch of sweetness to a food or dessert, try this fall spice blend. It will go great on items such as yogurt, oatmeal, soups, and even frozen yogurt or ice cream. To make this blend, combine 2 tablespoons ground cinnamon, 1.5 tablespoons ground ginger, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon ground cloves. So what are you waiting for? Try one of our flavorful and salt-free seasoning blends at your next meal and take a step towards a healthier heart.